Hey, good day everyone. I've got this MFC-L2710DW model from Brother. You can print, copy, scan, and fax. It's got a fast print speed up to 32 ppm for black, duplex, two-sided printing, wireless and Ethernet interfaces, and you can print from a mobile device as well. So it's a compact, all-in-one, multi-function laser printer. So right here on the side, pull that piece, and then same thing on this side, you just kind of pull that loose. Okay, this thing does not come with a printer cord. The only cord that it comes with is a phone line cord for the fax. Also doesn't come with an Ethernet cord, but here's the Ethernet connection right there. I'm going to leave that in there for right now, just to protect it. And then this is where I do already have a printer cord. That's where the printer cord goes. Plugs right in there. From there to the computer. Okay, the power cord's I don't know, 3 or 4 feet long. Got it plugged in down here, and we'll go ahead and power this up. That was power right there. Okay, no toner. Okay, it does come with the black toner. So they say this toner you can get about 700 pages out of, so it's like a reduced amount toner. For whatever reason, but if you buy a new one, they're usually, you can get about, anywhere from 1,200 pages up for the new black ones, but this one's only good for 700. I am going to install this toner here, so I just unplugged the machine. Only reason I did that is because I'm kind of going out of steps here for the setup. It actually says the first thing to do is to remove the packing materials and install the drum unit and toner cartridge assembly. Okay, this is where the toner cartridge goes, so we'll just pop this off. Pop that off there. Actually, it said to go ahead and remove this piece here. This is just a protective cover on it. It just popped right off there easily. And with the Brother logo facing up, we just slide it right on in there. Okay, got the power cord plugged in. Turned it back on. Okay, now if we were going to use the fax machine function on here, I'd go ahead and connect the telephone line cord. Phone line to the back there where I showed you. And if you're going to fax it too, you need to configure the machine for faxing. So it comes with the directions on how to do that, and here they are. So you can screenshot this if that's what you're going to do. I am not going to use this function there. Okay, this comes with an installation CD. So the Apple that I'm running it off of doesn't have a disk drive, so that's all right. So we're going to connect it to the computer for this Mac. The Mac that I use, we're going to go here and download the software. Yeah, so you can connect this to the computer or a mobile device. So it says print or scan using your mobile device. So you can use Apple AirPrint, you can use Mopria, Brother, another Brother iPrint and Scan app too. So there's a few different options here you can use for mobile devices. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing to print. So I'm going to put some paper in here. Okay, this thing operates by moving these little green tabs around. Pushing those green tabs in, you can slide this thing forward, and then this one you can slide in or out. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and download the software to use this thing right from the website. And real quick, here's the type of replacement toners that you need to get for this thing. So you can download the software for all these various models here. And this is for, they call this L series, the L2 series. So it's MFC-L2 series. And this is the one we've got right there, 2710DW. And I'm just continuing to follow the directions on the screen. I'm gonna actually go local connection. I've got a connection right to the computer right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Click next. And continuing to follow the directions here. Add printer. Okay, let's go ahead and print this out. All right, I'm going to go ahead and and copy this employment application in the document. I'm going to put it in the document feeder and make a copy. I just push the copy button right there. And it asks you how many copies you want to make. I'm going to go ahead and make 2 copies. And it shows you that the words go up and the top goes this way. There we go, and now we'll just go ahead and push start. Helps if you push this out too, it'll catch your documents falling on the floor. Alright, it made copies very nicely. So far we've seen the print and copy function. Now let's go ahead and show off the scan function here. So to scan, you just lift this up. We'll take our piece of paper and put it face down. Push scan there. And start. And here's the options button right there. You can adjust your resolution. We'll leave it at 200. Pushing OK. Multi-page. We're just going to do, you can do JPEG, PDF multi-page. We're going to do PDF single page. Document size is a letter. Okay, then I just push start. Okay, one thing I did was just set this up wirelessly too, so I didn't need the Ethernet cable or USB cable to print with it. So it's real easy. Just go through the same steps as you do for hard cable to it, and then but you just pick wireless settings and it'll walk you right through the steps. Really easy.